We've been waiting for this fog to lift most of the day, and it's super breezy out there, and it doesn't look like it's going anywhere fast. So taking the opportunity to get a bit of admin done. One of the reasons why I'm studying for a film degree is, you know, primarily I would love to become a better filmmaker. I'd love to be doing this full time. Sensible side of me is coming up with a plan B as well, and that is to be a further education lecturer, teaching art and design, film and media, all stuff that I've got a background in. And I just recently got offered my first job with the official title of further education lecturer. So for 2 weeks over the summer, starting next week, I'm going to be teaching a summer school to teenagers in film and media. So it's a really exciting opportunity for me. So I've just been here today working through some lesson plans for them. So never done anything like this before with young people. I've taught photography workshops a few years ago, but this is going to be brand new. So I'm a little bit nervous, but also, you know, just trying to see the opportunity. I'm really lucky to have been able to get to do this at this stage. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, getting these lesson plans done. I really hope the teenagers enjoy it. It's about 6:20 now, and finally the fog has just lifted. It's still blowing a hoolie out here, but look.
When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again. When the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming,
Well, when we went down to South Stack, and it was just solid fog the whole time we were there. We're quite unlucky when we go to the coast. That happens to us, doesn't it?
Yeah, but it gave you time to work on your classroom plans and stuff like that.
It did, which cleared my head. So it was quite interesting, actually. The fog cleared my head because I got my work
You wouldn't
done.
have been present if it had been lovely, nice weather and we'd have gone for a walk and stuff like that. In the back of your mind, you would be like, classroom plans.
I know, and I was like that. I was like that, literally.
And in a few weeks' time, we've got another week's window. And
when our wedding anniversary
Yes, our wedding anniversary. And I said to you, I still feel like there's so much to see in North Wales.
There's so much more to see. I feel like we've barely scratched the surface this time.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it. And we will definitely come back again and again and again. And I think we can still create some really good videos in North Wales.
I mean, this trip really has kind of ended up becoming a bit of a working holiday, because we've spent the time, you know, doing the video footage to incorporate TomTom. We then spent time making photos for TomTom that will go onto our Instagram posts, and all of that's been really time consuming. And then I've spent time doing my lesson plans because I have to do this teaching job. You know, I'd love to just spend the summer traveling and making films, but I can't afford to turn down opportunities like that.
Right, okay, the van is packed up. Here comes the wife, and we are heading off. It's been lovely here. It's been so mixed weather. 1 minute it's in cloud and then it's sun shining, but we were treated to an amazing sunset last night, which was really cool. Right, we're going to get on the road and see where it takes us.
Drove down to like the harbour area to have a look at the boats and things, and we spotted this awesome caravan. Look at the paint job on this. And we got chatting to this lovely lady Susan, who's actually doing an amazing thing down here at Anglesey. She's cleaning up the whole area. At the moment there's just 2 of them doing it, so tell us a bit more about what you're doing and why you're doing it.
Okay, basically we were born and bred in this area, me and my friend, and we've been brought up here all our life. And we've come back to the area and we have allotments, and we used to come to the front for daily walks. The place had been badly neglected and used as a dumping ground, as you can see. Boats had been taken out of this area and dumped on here, and rubbish and glass. So we want our children in the future to use these areas. So we've been busy picking up all the glass, the wood, the old boats and everything that have been dumped. And we're hoping to turn all this area into a picnic area and benches.
Oh, that'd be so nice for the community.
For all the
so
community.
You're really giving something back. So how long have you been working on it?
We've been working on this for a couple of months now, just 2 women on our own. So any support or anything we could get, it'd be most gratefully accepted.
There we go, guys. We've got 2 women who are here making a difference. So if there's any of you out there who would like to support this area and give something back to the community, then here is a really great cause. But how will our viewers find you if they want to come and help?
It's Susan Williams, basically, and that's it, Holyhead.
Susan Williams from Holyhead.
And what's the name of the allotment?
This is the Balls Arch area by the Holyhead Coast Guards.
Okay.
Yes.
Brilliant. So you can either pop down here and find them, or find Susan Williams on Facebook from Holyhead. Come down and give these lovely ladies some help, because they're doing a really great thing here.
Thank you.
So driving past, find this old abandoned castle, which is quite bizarre, because part of it looks really modern and the other is quite old. Well, that was a cool little explore. I must admit, it's getting harder and harder to find little explorers nowadays. Hopefully this will be my lift. Ellie to come and pick me up. Here she comes!
Thank you for watching. Do let us know what you thought. If you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button. Check out our other videos. head over to our website. We've got a range of blogs that tell you more about us and Florence. And check out our new range of merchandise, helping us to continue producing our films.